Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Landrover Discovery. So any screen, first of all, if you go into settings like so, you'll see all settings and audio settings. You won't see the one you want. So what you have to do, you have to click the telephone. That just shows the phones that are connected. That's again not what you want. So now you have to touch the settings, the cogs there. You've got phone settings. Now that's come up. Settings for all phones, Bluetooth settings. Bluetooth settings. Pair new device, paired devices, forget all devices. You don't want to forget all devices, you just want to forget one. If you did want to forget them all, you click that, job done, over. So what you have to do now, paired device, or paired devices. Now you see there, it's got a list of these phones with just connect. And you kind of think, well, I don't want to connect a phone. So if you try to click here, connect, it will try and connect it. The phone's not here. But what you do, you click on the name of the phone, like so, and then it brings up another menu. Primary phone, audio, use device for, forget device. I want to forget device. Forget Sophie's phone, yes. That's it gone. So we'll just do it again. This has got a load of phones in. We want to forget them all really. But so you click on the name of the phone on the left hand side. Forget device. Yes. It's gone. So if you can't stream music for any reason, what you need to do is the same thing. Click on the name of the phone and then you've got here ticks audio on phone. So there, on. But anyway, we want to forget that phone as well. Forget yes. I want to forget that too. So that's it. That's how you delete a mobile.